Hey guys, it's Daisy here. I'm super excited to share this with you. So I was just down at the gym and I got a message from my concierge that a package was waiting for me, and I know exactly what it is. About a week ago I ordered the DJI Mavic Air and it arrived today. So let's get this puppy open and see what we got. The box is fairly small. The box it comes in is even smaller. So cute. So cute. Carefully open this. I'm not really worried about damaging the box. I'm not much of a box keeper. Extra sticker letting me know this has not been opened yet. So I've got cute little carrying case that is so tiny comparatively to, I also have the DJI Mavic Pro, which we got pretty much after it was released in October of 2016. I think we got it around Christmas, so it's like a third, 2/3 of the size, and significantly lighter. We've got some other stuff in here, instructions, tiny little carrying case, although I'm not sure that would fit in my pocket. So what do we got here? I know I'm going through all the boring stuff first. Get that out of the way. We've got all of our instructions, the propeller protectors. So let's take a look inside. So tiny. It actually is exactly the size of my hand, folded up. So I got it in black. It does come in 3 colors. I did think about getting the red one at one point because I figured it'd be like easier to see, but the drone generally doesn't get too far out of my sight when I'm using it, so I thought this one looked really stealth. She's so tiny and cute. Oh my gosh. Yeah, cute little carrying case. It's like the size of a kind of portable Nintendo player or something like that. And then we've got the controller. Very similar to the Mavic Pro controller. iPhone will sit nicely in there. There we go. Very cool. I like it. I'm happy so far. The case is super, super cool. Everything's, I don't know if you can see that in there, but everything's nicely laid out and compact. We did get the Fly More package, so we've got extra batteries in there, extra propellers, I believe. We've got cables, the little attachment cords for phones, stuff. I don't even know what that is. Anyways, what else do we got? More cables, charger. Very cool. The batteries are super tiny. Super tiny. That is awesome. This is like a quarter, maybe a third of the size of the Mavic Pro batteries, and super light. There's all the stuff. It's awesome. I'm really excited to get out and fly this baby. I'm just going to comparatively show you to the Mavic Pro in size, because I know that's one of the big things. So as you can see, the case, it's just like very Pelican-like. Everything is just like flat laid out, whereas this one's nicely like compressed. There's no loss of space. We got a Fly More package on this. We've got extra batteries as well. Here. So it's about half the weight, or maybe I was exaggerating. It's about half the size and a lot like thinner. The controllers are actually about the same size. A couple obvious differences. There's an LCD screen on this controller, and there's not on the Mavic Air controller. So that's one significant difference. One other difference that I noticed is that the joysticks are actually removable. So that definitely makes for easier packing when you're putting it away, which is super cool. As long as I don't lose these tiny little guys, I'll be good. Then here is the Mavic Pro. So folded up, both of them folded up. It's like 2/3 of the size, which is crazy. And it's pretty light. It's not like, I'll put up the details later, but yeah, it's still significantly lighter. I don't know if it's light enough that I put it in my pocket, but the fact that it even is pocket size and fits on the palm of my hand is pretty cool. So now I'm just gonna open her up. Oh my god. He's so tiny. I've seen a couple videos of people flying these straight from their hand. I don't know if I'm quite at that skill level yet, but I can see it's definitely possible. So you can see the difference there. It's crazy. Pretty cool. I can't wait to get out and fly these. So I'm definitely going to get all these batteries charged up. I will probably need all of the batteries. Flight time on this one is about 21 minutes and 27 minutes for the Mavic Pro. So batteries are key. Even the landing gear is designed to flip in for complete compact storage. You can definitely see how this one was designed for easy travel. It's so tiny. I can't get over how small it is. It's a nice little, you're gonna have to come up with a cool name for this one. I'm gonna get this charged up so that I can go out tomorrow and test this baby out. But I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I can't wait to share my flying experience with this and give you a few more details about the Mavic Air and its cool features. I'm still trying to horn in on my drone flying skills. Hope you liked the video. If you liked, please click below. Any of your comments are always appreciated, and we'll see you soon. Have a good night.